We're at gotomath.com. We're looking at calculus and focusing in on the limits. And we're solving limits analytically, even though we're kind of looking at some theorems and some properties of limits. Okay, this looks like the problem that we're going to be working on here. We were giving a g and an h of x, and a g of x here, as you can see, and we want to find the limit as x approaches 19 of g composed of g of x. Okay, so let's just write that up there. Actually, we got h 6. All right, 6x plus 9. We have h of x is 6x plus 9, and we have g of x is something, 8x minus 8, 8x minus 8, and we want to find the limit as x approaches, what was that again, 19. 19's down here. Alright, well, we can do this a couple different ways. As you notice here, there's no h's in here, so we don't even need that. Don't even look at this over here. Who cares about that, right? But g of x, or g composed of g of x, is actually nothing more than 8, and then we put 8x minus 8 inside of there. Minus 8, we could simplify that down and then do the limit. But instead, we're going to actually look at a theorem. Is what we're going to, that's what we're going to actually do. And we're going to say that that g of x, take the limit as x approaches c of g of x as x approaches c. The limit, wow, did I say all that right? Oh my god, is equal to L, whatever is equal to L. And the limit as x approaches L of f of x is equal to f of L. It's like doing direct substitution here, right? Well, if this is true, we assume that's always to be true, then we could say that the limit as x approaches c of f of g of x is equal to f, and this is really kind of composed of the limit as x approaches c of g of x is equal to f of L. Now, this may seem confusing here because up here in our problem, we got this function composed of itself, and you're like going, well, where's f at, right? So don't let that confuse you. Okay, so let me just go over to the page here. So in other words, if we took the limit, right, of this guy as x approaches 19 and then took that answer and then plugged it in to our g of x, that's all we got to do. So let me just